wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing.
What it do, y'all? So yeah, today we've got something very special for you guys again. You already know every single time that we come to you guys, we are bringing something special. That is us. Today we've got another special car situated right here in Dundee, KZN to be exact. This is a 2016 Subaru BRZ and it is owned by Maradona. He's a kingpin here. He's got the nicest, the freshest cars out there. Cars that stands out if you're in Dundee. I mean, very little is needed to say about him. Either way, we are going to get into the video. We're going to ask him a few things, and very soon you guys will get to see him, why he loves this car here, how fast he's driven this car here, the engine that he's got in here, and the exhaust and all that. He's just going to share a few things with us and why the car is very special to him. Aside that, he's got others that I believe getting to the future we are going to show you guys. He's just, yeah, the boss of all bosses. So yeah, this is our 2016 again Subaru BRZ. We are going to get into it right away. All right, fellas, so this is our guy, our man in flesh. Yeah, that is Maradona. He's got this special baby, the 2016 BRZ, and this is a very rare car, a sports car that is very rare, most especially to find this in a town like Dundee. He's just one of a kind. So yeah, we are going to get into it, and he's going to tell us a few things that he loves about this car here.
What up, this Maradona.
Yeah, so
Mona Lisa.
yeah, Mona Lisa. All his cars are branded Mona Lisa. So please tell us a few things about this car here. But first of all, please introduce yourself to us, because I know you've got cars, so you can just introduce yourself a little bit to us right now.
Yeah. Like you said before, my name is Maradona. I got Mona Lisa. I'm from Dundee. I'm known for driving, you know, one of the eye-catching cars. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That type of thing. Yeah. This is my 2016 BRZ. One would call it a Toyota 86. One would call it a Scion FR-S, but this is Subaru. It has a 2-liter box engine.
Yeah. I think it's a flat 6 aspirated engine.
It's naturally aspirated.
Okay.
No turbo.
So you haven't done any customization at all?
No, I have, because it comes with 147 kilowatts standard.
Oh, okay.
So now ECU is done on that car.
Yes.
It has I've done the headers.
Okay.
One we call it branches.
All right.
Imported from Japan.
Okay.
I took it for dyno testing. The car is nice. The car is lovely.
Okay, so
I love it. I love it. Being natural better, it does it for me. You know?
Yeah.
I couldn't behave here.
Yeah. So right now you're saying it's got 147 kilowatts of power.
But it's been upgraded now.
Oh, okay. So right now you're not really sure on the exact number that is sitting at.
I'm not too sure. I don't lie to the people. I'm not too sure.
Oh, okay.
I've done a lot of ECU.
Yeah.
I've done headers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the exhaust? Have you done anything to the exhaust, or this is the stock that came with the car?
It came with the car like that.
Oh, okay. So there hasn't been anything installed on the exhaust.
No.
All
It's
right.
standard, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is it, fellas. You are hearing it straight from the owner's mouth. This is Maradona, and he's gonna take it for a test drive, and he's gonna, we are going to feel how this car really drives, because it really gotta feel special to be in a BRZ. Guys, let's get right into it. Okay, that is wicked. I don't know if you guys could hear how wicked, how disgusting the exhaust is, but I'll try my best to give you the best sound out there. Okay, so fellas, we are going for a quick test drive, and Maradona himself is taking us. I am so hyped right now. I just want to feel how this car really drives, and it is sick. Yes! Oh damn! And the brakes are so responsive. Wow. My goodness. All right. Fellas, this is a BRZ, a rare type of BRZ that you can only get from Mona Lisa. And that was a 0 to 60 in a very tight corner. Damn! Oh my goodness! Oh damn! Says we should go again. Oh Lord! Okay, this is super quick. The sound! My goodness. Alright, I believe this is an automatic. It is a DSG, right? Yeah, it says it's a DSG, a 6-speed automatic. So you gotta know with a DSG, fellas, the exhaust is stuck. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. And the brakes are so responsive. Wow. Yeah, so he says it's a DSG, a 6-speed automatic. So with DSGs, you guys gotta know, I mean, when manufacturers want to step things up, they go with a DSG, and there's no. Yeah. Oh my goodness. All right. I didn't even see earlier on. This is the sports mode. Yeah, that is if you want to go manual too. Yeah, the shifts are right here. It makes it a lot more comfortable. I mean, if you still want to have complete control over your gear shifting and all that, yeah, he's only showing me now. This car is just a masterpiece. It is a complete.
And you can also change it from here. Just put it inside.
Yeah, and then it changes.
Instead of changing there.
Yeah.
There.
Oh. Okay. Jesus. Okay. This is amazing. This is just amazing. Yeah. Oh, that is sick. Wow. Okay, so fellas, yeah, this is our 2016 Subaru BRZ. The man himself tested it out, and yeah, as you guys can see, it is wicked. So if you enjoyed the video, please kindly subscribe to the channel, and anytime that you guys want to contact Maradona himself, if maybe you want information about the car or anything that you feel like you just want to know. And oh, he's a dealer in cars as well, so yeah, if you've got cars and you want, let us know and you will be linking up with him. This is wicked. Okay, yeah, so until then, everything what of you should stay safe as always. It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much, Maradona. Yeah, we will catch up with you again, and peace.
Go, 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 go.